Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print description of the sale order form into PDF and also forwarded the same details from sale order to invoice. So let's see about it, how to work it. You can see here our module devsale.html. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to sales. Go to any orders and write here your description like your order details, and write here description related to your order. Now I want to print in PDF report. So you can easily see here also printed in PDF report. Now I want to forward the same details from sale order to invoice. So first go to settings. And see here this option HTML notes to invoice. Allow this. Let's save. Again go to this order. Click on create invoice button. So you can easily see here forwarded from sale order to invoice. Now print this invoice. And also print in PDF report. Thank you.